I am very picky about my granola, and I've worked hard to make my gluten-free granola recipe turn out just right. I didn't want it to have that texture of birdseed or trail mix. It needed to have those little nuggets of flavor with that satisfying crunch. There needed to be just the right combination of ingredients along with a sweet syrup to hold it all together so it could bake into those perfect clumpy nuggets. I'm Christy from Beneficial Bento, where I show you how to make healthy food more fun and help you manage your food allergies. And once you successfully make your own granola with just that right clumpiness factor, and if you love granola, you know what I mean by that. You'll never want to settle for the store-bought kind again. Here's how to make it. In a large bowl, combine oatmeal, flaxseed meal, almonds, sunflower seeds, coconut, powdered milk, and coconut flour. I use certified gluten-free oats for this recipe. In a medium-sized microwave-safe bowl, combine the oil, peanut butter, honey, and salt. And here's a tip. Measure the coconut oil before the honey. You can use the same measuring cup for both, and then the honey won't stick to the measuring cup. Heat in the microwave on high power for 1 minute. Add vanilla and stir until the peanut butter is melted and smooth. Pour the liquids into the dry ingredients in the large bowl. Toss gently with a spoon until all the ingredients are evenly coated. Preheat the oven to 275 degrees. Cover a large cookie sheet with foil. This will make it really easy to pour out the granola after it's finished baking. Spray the foil with a little cooking spray first. Bake at 275 degrees until toasted. This will take about 30 minutes total, but after 15 minutes of baking, stir and move the outer edges toward the center of the pan since they tend to get brown more quickly, and then put it back in the oven for the remainder of the time. Remove from the oven and let cool completely for maximum clumpiness. Using the foil as a kind of a blanket, shape one end into a spout and funnel the cooled granola into your desired container with a lid and store at room temperature. And that's it for this recipe. So what did we learn this time? Number one, after baking the granola, let it cool completely before moving it so you can achieve maximum granola clumpiness. Number two, use the foil from the cookie sheet to help you funnel that granola into a container. I promise you will thank me later. Number three, you can get the printable version of this recipe at beneficialbento.com. Click on the link below. And number four, if you liked this video, please take a second to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any favorite foods or recipes that you would like to see made gluten-free, let me know in the comments. I would be happy to help. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen, and I will see you soon with another video.